wanna know your name. You just kill me, could you at least do that? I wanna know your name. Or better yet, stay there and just do that. I wanna know your name. Your name. You just kill me, could you at least do that? I wanna know your name. Your name. Or better yet, stay there and just do that. Hey, yeah.
All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Hope everyone can hear me perfectly fine. Give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear me. Hey, what's up, Dion? Nice to see you here as always. Hey, Mayonaka, what's up? Alright, so go ahead and send in your tickers. We'll go in chronological order here. Okay, so we had a pretty interesting day. If you guys take a look at SPY here, right? Very, very big bounce today. Right off of that 422-ish, 421-ish area. Those are the highs that were made back in mid-June. So you can see right here, okay, the highs that were made back in mid-June, we came back, retested it, and had a very ferocious bounce today. So, hey, what's up, Alex? What's up, dear? So, with that in mind, I think there's a high possibility that we can continue to bounce tomorrow. At the very least, we can head back up to 444, which will be my ultimate price target for this possible dead cat bounce. I just need to see continuous amount of volume. Okay, so hopefully we can see some type of continuation tomorrow. Right now, futures don't look too good, but it's just a little bit of a small pullback here after having such a phenomenal day. Okay, so expect a lot of volatility from this point forward. And Q. Yeah, so let's see. Let's look at this. Okay. Yeah, a lot of consolidation going on here. Okay. even just in the 15-minute time frame, we're just kind of slowly pulling back, and hopefully by once Asian markets are open, you can see a nice big pump. This is NQ, by the way. This is Nasdaq futures. Hey, what's up? What's up? So when we have very, very, strong pullbacks in the market, you guys need to be looking out for relative strength. Okay, and what does that mean? Well, stocks that are not moving parallel with the overall market. So hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, guys on YouTube? Hello, hello. Nice to see everyone coming back in. So with that relative strength, okay, I was able to find a good amount of tickers that I posted on Sunday for my C.F.O Single Watch subscribers, okay, and for the people who are in the C.F.O Discord. And one of those few were at WMT, exactly. Hey, Mironaka, yes. So WMT was exactly one of them, right? And the reason why, okay, so here's how you guys can see. What's up, Chris? Here's how you guys can see there is relative strength in WMT. Okay, just take a look at the weekly time frame of Walmart. Okay, this clear uptrend, or I can literally just choose any inflection point here and just make a trending line like this, and you have a nice uptrend going on, right? And if you compare this chart, right, to, let's see, to SPY, right, and if you take a look at the weekly time frame for SPY, right, huge downtrend compared to Walmart right here, right? So this is what I mean when stock has relative strength, okay, compared to the overall market here, right? So we're looking for stocks like that whenever the stock is pulling back. Well, when the overall market's pulling back. So there's a high chance that you're able to find these stocks and play them during a pullback, because when the market starts to reverse, these are the stocks that are able to move quickest to the upside with the market. Does that make sense? So all of my subscribers were prepared on Sunday to be looking at these relative strength stocks. WMT was just one of them. All right. We had plenty of others that worked out great today in the Discord, and there's a lot of people who played the ups and downs on SPY today as well. So if you guys take a look at my story and my highlights, you guys could always see that there's always people who are profiting off of these great plays that we make in the C.F.O Discord. So if you guys are not in, you guys should be in. Okay, I'm always providing as much value as possible every single week with the newsletter. And if you guys are wondering how long the newsletter is, it's literally around average 25 to 27 pages long, and it takes me a total of 9 to 10 hours usually to complete everything. So just on the newsletter itself, when I take another another hour to add some extra names in the CF Discord. So, and I try to make sure that you guys are looking at the right sector, the right names, the right tickers, and I try to prepare you guys for the whole new trading week, and I try to prepare you guys every single trading day of that new week. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I highly recommend you guys subscribe to the C.F.O Single Watch so that you guys get access to the C.F.O Discord together. That's right. So you guys get the C.F.O Discord and C.F.O Single Watch together if you subscribe to the C.F.O Single Watch. So that's probably the best, like 100% guaranteed best deal out there ever. So all right. So WMT, very, very good looking stock. Once we broke 138 to the upside, there's a great chance for bulls to get in, and we saw that coming. We saw that volume and buying coming in, and eventually we ended up above 140. So this week we have to stay above 140. All right, that's like the minimum for me for this week. If we don't stay above 140, we continue to go to the downside. But for now, great close today, great strength to the end of the day, good power hour move as well. And there's a high chance we can continue tomorrow. And if we cross above 141 here, which is where I have my alert set up, we can see a revisit 142.50, which is my next solid level of resistance. All right, so the other relative strength stock was Nike. Okay, so there's a lot of people who took this play, and I'm very glad that they did in the C.F.O Discord. So Nike was in the C.F.O swing and watch on Sunday. Let me actually wipe out make the camera look better here for you all on Instagram. There we go. All right. Okay, it's a lot more clear. So, for Nike, okay, we came right back down today. We started filling in this ER gap up that we had, this monstrous gap up back in mid-June of last year. And now we're completely filling it now, okay? And today, we got pretty close to the previous level of resistance around 138. And it was also the resistance of this big bullish flag here, okay? There's a big bull flag. And so once we're able to break above 138, this thing absolutely flew off thanks to the ER reaction that helped it break above 138. So oops. Okay, so my live on my Instagram ended, so I might have to okay. So everyone on YouTube, give me 1 second here. There's a connection issue. So all right, let me try that one more time here. Okay. All right. Hopefully, hopefully the Instagram live does not lose connection. So we're back. We're back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right. So as I was saying, okay, Nike is like nearly more than halfway done filling the gap. But today, thanks to the market reversal, we decided to move upwards. We touched 140, okay, and we bounced really hard. And for the fact that Nike, if I take a look at the intraday time frames, even at open, okay, it didn't sell off with the market. All right, it touched 140 and it kept 140 as the level of support multiple times here on the 15-minute time frame. So this is what I mean by relative strength stock. It's completely moving the opposite of the market, right? It's not selling off with the market. So what Nike did was hold 144, and as the market continued to sell off intraday, after like 2 hours after market open, okay, Nike just came right back down to the 140 support, bounced, and it started making higher highs and higher lows. And so once the market started to reverse, Nike went up even higher, right? And this is what I want to see with Walmart as well. And this is what we saw today intraday with Walmart as well too. So this is the main reason why we look for relative strength stocks. Okay, so please give a thumbs up if you guys understood that. There we go. All right. Mayonaka, I hope I can see you in the C.F.O. Single Watch, so so you can have access to this Discord. I'll be glad to have you in there. Seems like you're really understanding everything that I'm saying here. You'll be a perfect fit in Discord. I'm pretty sure. Nunny21, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Okay, so oh, you are. Oh, you are. All good. Hey, you know what? That's the best thing to do, man. So keep it up. Keep it up. You get there. All right. So everyone, start sending your tickers. Let me start doing the technical analysis for you guys. Dion, you said Lucid. Oh, you really love Lucid. Let me do that Lucid for you. Lucid. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's go back to the daily time frame. But I do see a very ooh, this is a really good double bottom here. Wow. Okay. So most likely for Lucid Dion, you know, if you didn't catch it at 34 for a nice double bottom bounce, there's gonna be a lot of volatility. You know, it's just, I mean, there's a good chance if we come back to $40, that's another 3-point move. So, Hilo, you said, I love playing Lucid. Yeah, I know you do. You absolutely crushed it with those Lucid puts in the Discord. Congrats on that. Man, I'll say hi, so I'm not looking around. Of course, you're, you know, I'm happy that you're taking action here and joining the lives. But yeah, you know, try to join as often as possible. We'd love to have you around here, man. Yeah, so Lucid, good chance we go back to 40, or at the very least near 40. So when I say near 40, maybe around 39.50. Okay, 39.50 may be the level that we reject off of and continue to go down. But so far, a very good hold at $34 today, and there's a good chance that we can move up higher tomorrow if you see the overall you know, equity markets continue to go up higher and continue to bounce today. Ahmed, you said, hey bro, where's the link for the Discord? It's a link in my bio. So Ahmed, if you're new here, the C.F.O Swing Watch, okay, is the link that you need to click on, and you need to subscribe to that in order to get access to the C.F.O Discord. Okay, so make sure you go to the link in my bio. Okay, yes, Linktree. Yes. So that's exactly correct. All right, specifically Linktree, but that Linktree is in the link in my bio. And once you have read everything on the website and everything, and you know, there's a lot of information on the website that you don't want to just gloss over. Okay, you can scroll all the way down and choose which tiers you know, subscribe to. There's tiers 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to choose. Go ahead. Okay, there's a lifetime plan, there's a yearly plan, and there's a monthly plan. Okay, so make sure you guys, you know, when you're looking at the link tree and the link. Make sure you're looking at everything that is said. Don't just gloss over it, because I know a lot of people tend to do that. But yes, everything can be found in the link in my bio using my link tree. Okay? Yes, Ahmed. Yes. I'm glad that you got that. Okay, so Lucid, that's basically it for Lucid. I mean, it's very simple. Okay, once it, oops, let me get that out of the way. Okay, so once we get, you know, a nice continuation tomorrow, hopefully, we can go up to 39.50 or possibly even to 40 if you have enough juice and enough volume. So once we have to do that, there's going to be most likely a rejection, and we can come back down to around 38. Okay, so Yes, yes, yes. Hey, Ramirez. Mr. Ramirez. Richard. G Appreciado. What's up, what's up? Alright, hey. My G. Seems like you guys know each other. Okay, so let me go over Tesla now, and I'll do Microsoft after. So I believe Microsoft has earnings as well, and Tesla actually. So that's a double whammy right there. But let's see. So Tesla, oh, that looks pretty juicy too. So seems like we bounced off of the bottom of this huge bull flag that we made. Okay, the reason why it's very huge is that it's a very volatile flag, right? We're making a couple hundred plus point moves, okay, within a few days, like 2 days, 3 days sometimes. So those are very large moves, okay. So it's a very volatile flag. I wouldn't like to play it, but everyone loves Tesla, so why not? um, with Tesla here, very good follow through day. I'm expecting a possible hit tomorrow. Well, first of all, if you take a look at the intraday time frames on the 2 hour, we're almost there to completely fill the gap that we made here, okay, today. So tomorrow I'm expecting a nice pump up to 940, and if we're able to hold above 940 throughout the rest of the day, I can see another push higher to 960. All right, and 960 is the next huge level of resistance that you guys had to watch out for. All right, if you guys are not watching 960, and if you try to get in at 960, most likely you're gonna get pushed out of the trade. Okay, so hey Andrew, what's up? What's up? Okay, so make sure you guys are watching Tesla here. All right. Okay, so I think, let's see who sent me that. I think it was J May 0, I think. Yeah, okay. So Tesla, I hope you got that, man. Give me a thumbs up if you're still in here. And let's move on to Microsoft. Oh, yeah, Microsoft, a very solid day. Most tech stocks just completely had a huge bounce today. After that big move to the downside. This may be a dead cat bounce. Who knows? It all depends on how we open tomorrow and how we act tomorrow. But if we JMA0, thank you for that thumbs up. So none of you said if Microsoft doesn't break that 297.50, you come back to retest 294. So 0.50, I don't think 0.50. So for me, what I'm looking for a continuation tomorrow is so most likely we're gonna have a small slight gap down as an open tomorrow, depending on how overnight futures go. But with Microsoft here, all I'm gonna see is sure 294 is a great area for us to bounce tomorrow. I have my support level here set up at 294 as well, which is very close to 200 SMA on the daily time frame, which is my yellow line right here that you guys can see. So with this 294 level, if we do bounce, I want to see a cross over of the high of the day today. So if I'm speaking in terms of tomorrow, okay, we're wanting to see a bigger push above the previous high of the day, which is this candlestick. And the high of this candlestick today was 297.11. So all we need to do is pass above 297.11, and we can straight up head to 300. Okay, so that is my whole number resistance that we need to head up to. All right, so 300 right here. Let me make it red so you guys can see it on Instagram. People on YouTube can't see it, so I know people on Instagram have limited views. So that's my thoughts for Microsoft. Now, if you lose the 200 SMA again, though, Nani, there's a good chance that we can completely lose 294, retest the 200 SMA again, and then flush below. Okay, but we have earnings tomorrow, right? I think tomorrow's after hours. Yes, so there's gonna be a lot of volatility and a lot of volume coming in tomorrow for the rest of the whole trading day tomorrow until after hours. Okay, so watch out for Microsoft. It could be a great day trade name for tomorrow because of the fact that there's going to be a lot of volume for people who are wanting to play Microsoft or even gamble. I would never ever recommend gambling into earnings, but there will always be thousands of people who will. So I can't control that, but thanks to them, there's going to be a lot of volume as well. Hey, Ake. Ake? Ake? What's up, Jordan? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, so Nani, yes, exactly. Yes, 300. Of course, of course. And Nani, if you're, I don't know if you're in the Discord, but I hope you're in. I would love to have you in the Discord. Seems like you're understanding everything perfectly as well. I need a lot more experienced traders in my Discord room, so that we can have a lot more productive day-to-day trading days. So, and I'm pretty sure you guys would also benefit greatly from the C.F.O Swinger Watch. Um, Jay, Love, what's up? What's up? Welcome in, welcome in. I've seen you before as well. I think I saw you this afternoon. So Microsoft, huge reversal today. I mean, there's probably a lot of people who made great money on this reversal. And you said, I'm not, I'll check it out. Oh, no pressure, man, no pressure. Just letting you know. So, you know, there's a lot of names, it looks like, that had a lot of good bounces. Possibly even a double bounce here, a double bottom bounce. Okay, so Elo, you said Nvidia. Of course, Nvidia. I mean, everyone's favorite stock, right? Oh yeah, look at that. Nvidia, another great bounce right from that demand area here. So excuse my multiple lines. These are all my intraday levels here. I'll just take them off for the sake of clarity here. So Nvidia is, I think, you know, semiconductors are very, very strong. It has been strong, but they've, they've fallen victim to the overall market sell-off. So SMH is a semiconductor ETF, and they're holding fairly strong. I was expecting a nice hold around 290, but instead we broke to the downside at 290, and we continued to flush with the market. But I think there's a good chance that semiconductors will be more stronger than they'll be a lot more stronger actually than the overall market, even if the overall market is going down. And I think there's a good chance that the semiconductor market will be and the whole sector will be moving inverse to the market. And if the market starts to reverse, semiconductors will also be still going to the upside, and there's going to be a higher chance that the semiconductors will be moving upwards continuously as the market is reversing as well. So Nvidia, very, very good watch. The levels I'm looking out for Nvidia for tomorrow, there's a good chance that we can come up to 240. That was our previous low of the gap that we made up here. The little tiny gap up. I believe there's some important news from Nvidia. I don't quite remember, but that's what happened here. Okay, and so 240 is my profit target if I was long on Nvidia already from today, but I'm not. So 240 is the ultimate level where we can possibly see a nice rejection, but great bounce above the 200 SMA. Okay, all we need to do from this point forward is hold above the 200 SMA. All right, we finally revisited the 200 SMA, and last time we revisited this SMA here was back in middle of May. Okay, so mid-May of last year, 2021. Okay, so it's been quite some time here. So now we revisited. Okay, and we just have to hold above it, or else we go straight down again. All right, so that's very, very simple here right now. Very, very simple technical analysis so far. You know, we're in a very clear downtrend, obviously, but we will have some nasty bounces along the way. And that's the nasty bounce that we had today. Hey, gee, Docu. Oh, would you look at that? So guys, if you guys were in my lives a couple months back, a couple weeks back as well, back in December. Hey, Nino, what is up? What is up? My pro trade, one of my pro traders are here. So if you guys didn't know, quick tangent here. But Nino had started a 2K challenge, and he finished the 2K challenge today, and he's up 14K. His account is from 2K to 14K. All right, so if you guys follow the same trades that he did, you guys would be up nearly the same amount as well. So make sure you guys join. I mean, there's a small account challenge going on. The medium account challenge that Nino started is finished, so he's gonna start a new one again next Monday. So get in before that starts, okay? And the third one is a large account. That's also going pretty well as well. But the medium account, medium sized account has absolutely gone crazy. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, Nani, yeah, go ahead. Whatever is convenient for you. You can join anytime, but I'm just letting you guys know. Nino is gonna start the 2K challenge again on Monday, so be prepared for that. All right. He's a master at trading SPY, so he trades the overall markets, overall equity markets with option contracts. So he's been killing it, and he's trying to get better with swings as well, which is the reason why he joined Charts Focus One here, and he's been doing absolutely amazing. So give him a follow. He's a very, very good trader in the C.F.O Discord, and he's going to be a very integral part in the growth of C.F.O in the next few years, and he knows that. So I'm glad to have him as a part of the journey here. So yes, big congrats, Nino. Nani's balling. Yeah. So Nani, if you have any questions on the different tiers, go ahead and ask me and DM me. But go ahead and choose whatever tiers that you want to subscribe with. Juan, what's up? What's up? Okay, so let's go back to Docu. So I mean, this is just perfect right here. So I made this drawing back in December, and I said, okay, there's a good chance that we're gonna find a lot of resistance. This is what I said last time as well, around 155 to 160. And guess what? We saw a lot of resistance. I mean, huge amount of resistance from the top here. And for the fact that DocuSign is also a pandemic name, it had amazing numbers, revenue numbers, sale numbers, thanks to the pandemic, right? And now that the economy is reopening here, all these stay-at-home stocks have completely plummeted. Okay, so with that in mind, DocuSign here is looking to move lower, and that's exactly what we did the past few weeks. And guess what? I said we're gonna start making a range around $100 to around 120. Okay, and if I put away this drawing here, guess what we're doing? Okay, oops, let me get that back. I want this drawing out. Okay, we came back down below 120, and we retested the 110 price level here, and we bounced. And so from this point forward, okay, I'm going to expect the price to start consolidating like this, around 110 to around 120. If you go lower, I want to see another consolidation happening between 100 and 110. All right, so very, very simple here. Very simple price ranges. And so Docu is doing exactly what I wanted to do. We found a lot of supply, a lot of sellers around 160, which is why we couldn't push up higher and start filling in the gap. Instead, we start to move way lower. Okay, and so now we're literally near the breakout highs that we saw back in the COVID dip in March 2020, and after the March 2020 dip, we started to move up higher. Okay, so I think Docu has a good sign. It's a good sign that the market, well, the whole economy is literally recovering and has been recovering really, really well. And for the fact that stay-at-home stocks have been plummeting, just literally the market is telling you that the economy is getting better and better and better. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons why people look at the markets. The markets really tell you what's going on whenever they're moving and when the markets are live and open. So do I see a chance of a retest of that 126.60? So around 126.60 area, then just reject around there. Let's see. So if we're talking about, yeah, so seems like you have a similar technical analysis skills as me. I mean, you'd be perfect in the C.F.O Discord. So, yeah. So if okay, let me take out the drawings here as well. Then make it a little bit more clear for you guys. Okay. So you're exactly right. So around I would say 127 to be a little bit more, broader here. But we can come to 127. Obviously, I'm going to see a little bit more of a rejection tomorrow. We're most likely going to come back down, and most likely retest around 119, possibly 118. And if you bounce off 118, that'll be a great new support. And once we bounce off of 118, if and only if we bounce with good volume, there's a good chance we come back up and above and retest 127. Okay, and from that point forward, we can reject. So yes, you're correct. Hope that makes sense, man. Let me pin that comment, Nani. If you guys didn't know, the C.F.O mantra for 2022 is take action. Okay, you guys have to take action. Just like in the markets, take action. So if you guys didn't take action today, you guys weren't able to catch this huge dip buy that we saw today. Nani, give me a thumbs up if you understood that for DocuSign. But great reversals for so far on all names. Any names that gapped down today morning and then filled that gap intraday around near noon. It's been about a year and a half and barely starting to get it. Yeah, it seems like you're starting to get it really well. So congrats on that, man. Congrats. But like I said, any name that gapped down and start to fill in their gaps and completely fill their gaps today, very, very good reversal. And those are the names that will have the relative strength needed tomorrow to continue to the upside. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Yes, so Elo, you're right. Can't find much S tier trades right now, to be honest. Just lost scalps. Love Lucid double bottom, but want a bullish open. Exactly. So just like DocuSign here, and just like Lucid and any other name that was able to rocket higher and bounce, and have completely take out Friday's highs as well and Friday's lows. We want to see that open higher and maintaining that open, and having a good amount of buying coming in as well throughout the whole day tomorrow in order to continue the bounce that we saw today. Okay. So Eloy, let's look at your F. F is right back into that range as well. Look at that. So, oof, what a large volatile day today for Ford. I mean, we came right back down to retest the textbook flag support here around 18.15 to $19. We bounced right on top of it, okay? And then we came right back above and retested the flag resistance around $20 and $20.50. So tomorrow, most likely, we're going to get a nice red day on Ford, okay? Unless the overall markets move up higher, okay? So expect a nice rejection at around 20.50 tomorrow again, just like we saw today. Or we move up higher and retest the daily 50 SMA right here. Okay, and the daily 50 SMA is currently hanging around $21. Exactly, 21.00. So, there's a good chance that we can go up to $21 tomorrow if we see the markets continue to move up higher as well. Okay, so let's hopefully we can see that continuation of a bounce tomorrow on F as well. But one thing for F though, we didn't completely fill the gap that we saw today from this morning's gap down. All right, there's a few more cents left before we can completely fill the gap. So the exact number will be 20.54. So we're a few cents off. Today's highs was 20.47. Okay. Hey, M. Troy, what's up? Abby Ray, I haven't seen you in a while. Thank you for joining. Okay, so Eli, I hope you got that. XOM, yeah. So energy stocks, extremely strong. Um, XOM, most likely, we can have this round. So what tends to happen when stocks have been in an uptrend and we have a nice big breakout, okay? If you go back to the weekly time frame here, okay. So XOM, really huge level around 72 to 73. All right, and we just retested the previous all-time high number of 74.28. Okay, and this level is what we call the level that we need to break out of in order to have a blue sky breakout. Okay, so from this point forward, Eloy, what I want to see for Exxon or XOM, okay, so I want to see a nice flag happening here, right below 73 to 74ish. Okay, most likely, if we go back to the daily time frame, we're going to continue to retest 71, 72, 73 multiple times as we're flagging. Okay, but once we're able to flag a lot, and there's little tiny dips and bounces and very micro volatility side to side underneath 73 to 74, we can blast off into new all-time highs, possibly to $80 per share. Okay, so that's my kind of long-term target here. And Troy, miss you, bro. Hey, miss you, man. I miss you too as well. I'm gonna screenshot that. Thank you for the ghosts. Hey, Krish, ready? What is up? My previous student, what is up, man? I hope you've been killing the market as well. So amazing play here. Why did XLF tank if interest rates are going higher? So that's a good question. So bank earnings, they did so. Basically, there's a little bit of a manipulation here, in my opinion. Okay, so yes, when interest rates are high, banks should be profiting a lot more, right? However, XLF was already making new all-time highs, multiple times here, even if interest rates weren't even when interest rates weren't even in the mouth of the Fed yet. Okay, even there was no interest at all by the Fed to increase the rates at all, and XLF was continuing to go up because for the fact that the markets were going up, right? So I think XLF here, right? They purposely dumped most bank names and financial names in order to buy them at a cheaper price, okay? Because they know that banks will have a tremendous year of 2020 and 2022 because of the fact that there is a good chance that we'll see 3 to 4 interest rate hikes. So, does that make sense, right? They want to play and they want to hold and get more of these bank and institutional banks shares at a lower price, okay? And so they dumped it and they grabbed it back at a cheaper price, and so that they can have a phenomenal year, a phenomenal fiscal year of 2022 with huge gains on bank names. Does that make sense? So those are my personal opinions. All right, that's just my personal thinking. I'm not saying that's exactly how it happened, but so far the so if I bought the dip today, you think I'll be good? That depends on how markets act tomorrow. So it all depends on tomorrow. Tomorrow we get the confirmation. Does that make sense? Yes. So hopefully that makes sense. So these big institutions love to manipulate the market. So the market makers, right? Eloy said XOM play puts at 72 or 73. I mean, today's close is pretty bullish. But I would say 72, Eloy. Yeah, if you see a rejection and if you see a big volume push to the downside around 72, I would say it's a good chance for you to scalp it all the way back to 71. Okay. And GGG, my G appreciado, beyond. Ooh. Wow. What a trip Beyond has made, guys. Look at this. Oops. Bring that up again. So Beyond is now coming back down to the IPO pump price ranges here back in 2019. Okay, and the fact that we came all the way back down is surprising to me, but we did, right? So there's nothing I can do here. I can't pump the prices up higher, right? So we're back to IPO prices, and to be honest, I think Beyond is a great grab for the year 2022 and into 2023 and the next decade, because there's a growing trend of people looking to eat more lab-grown meat and not meat directly from animals, right? And there's a lot more social investing going on, a lot more socially aware investing, a lot more green investing. People are looking to invest in companies that won't devastate the planet, that won't devastate society, basically, all of human society. And I think Beyond Meat is one of those companies that will really benefit from that as well. So that Martian meat, yeah. So I think there's a good chance. Yes, Sancho, it's me versus market makers every day. You're exactly right. So Beyond. Beyond is no man's land right now. I would say don't look at it. If you want to invest in it, grab shares. I mean, go ahead, get a small piece. There's a good chance that today might have been the bottom for Beyond. You never know. It seems like the selling is slowing down. How do I know this? Well, because of the fact that we're starting to form a base, right? A sideways base. Simple as that, right? So once we are back above 65, I think. Yeah, around 65. That's a good number. That'd be a good chance to see, if Beyond is ready to reverse to the upside. But if you want to just randomly dollar cost average on Beyond at whole number areas whenever you see a bounce, that's another great way to invest in Beyond. Okay, and right now for trading, I don't think Beyond is a good contender. It's really in no man's land at all. There is no good entry price anywhere for now, to the long side or to the short side. It's just very, very volatile, very wicky. But Beyond 65 is the level that needs to be tested first, and then if you're able to break above 65, we're going straight up to 70. Okay. Hey, what's up, OG Sosa? OG Sosa. You said SPY bullish for bearish. Oh, bullish or bearish tomorrow? That depends. Nino says you guys know each other. So yes, so Nino, you gotta convince him. Convince him to go to the CF Discord. No, I'm just joking. Don't pressure him. Hey, HSR13, what's up? I'm seeing a lot of new faces here. Yeah, so for SPY, most likely, it's going to be a very good scalping environment as usual. I mean, NQ is down 200 points right now. I mean, and I think ES is down what? 51 points, right? So very volatile still. So perfect for scalpers like Nino. It's something that I think it'll be great for you guys to continuously watch intraday timeframes for the market because of the fact that it's so volatile, and there's a good chance that you guys can scalp them. But overall, it'll all depend on how we react overnight on when the Asian markets open. Okay. And M Troy says snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Snap was a great entry today. You know why? You know why, guys? We completely filled the gap. We filled the gap, and we came back to retest the previous highs that we made back in mid-October to mid-November. which is around $28, and we bounced near 28 today. Well, exactly 28. It was at the low of the day today was 28.02. So today might have been a good grab for Snap, and we can see a nice run up to earnings tomorrow because earnings is next week, after hours, February 3rd. Okay, so Snap, a good chance that we see a continuation tomorrow. $34. I don't know about 34 being an easy target. I mean, there's a lot of selling here. Right, this is a big momentum selling. So I would say wait. But yes, if you break above 32 today, yeah, the high today. Okay, good job on that. If you break above 32, that would be a great entry for day trade. Okay, the reason why I say day trade is that there's way too much selling right here. Okay, this is too much selling pressure. So bulls are gonna have a hard time unless some sort of catalyst comes in and bulls are able to push past these momentum sellers here. Okay, does that make sense? Give me a thumbs up and try if that makes sense. Danny's out. What's up? Ram. What's up? What's for fun? What is up? What's up, everyone? Nice to see you all. You're in calls. Well, good luck. You got it today. Perfect timing. How often do you check your swings after your internet? Every day. Every single day. I mean, there's swings, but I still gotta check them, right? I mean, it's just managing, and that's what's great about swings. You don't have to worry about buying and selling constantly. Does that make sense? Right? You're letting the stock do its thing. You're letting it move. Chris, what's up? I'm gonna have to screenshot that again. And Troy, thank you for all those amazing ticker symbols there, and also for those emojis. Shot Fleek 1, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the live. Wow, every 10 minutes? Come on now. Well, that means you're most likely a scalper or day trader. So focus on that. Okay, so Nani, spot. So guys, this will be my last one, and I'll be ending the stream for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. It's about 50 minutes since I started this stream. Okay, spot. Oof. Big sell-off as well. It looks exactly like Snap. But, just like Snap, we completely filled the gap here. And we came back down to revisit this flag support around 177. Okay? Perfect for spot here. I mean, exact bounce right here. The low today was 177.07, right? So spot, if you got in at 177, amazing. Yeah, and Troy, Snap 2.0. So literally great bounce today, and we're coming right back to that flag resistance back here, back in mid-June and mid-May of around 197. So tomorrow, most likely we're gonna retest that and reject it. Okay, so watch out for that. Okay, there's most likely gonna be a rejection tomorrow at 197. Okay, Nani, so I hope that makes sense. And Nani, I hope to see you tonight in the Discord. I would love to have you in there. Who knows, you might become part of the C.F.O Pro Traders. Who knows, who knows? Depending on how everything goes. You get the ins and outs of the C.F.O progress here. But that's the goal. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I hope to see you in tonight. All right. So Ram, you said any levels for SPY. Okay, so I'll quickly go over this before I end the stream here. So if you guys weren't in the Discord today, I had absolute spot on levels today. Nino as well. Okay, so Nino had amazing trades today thanks to his amazing levels. That's the reason why he went from 2K to 14K in 2 weeks, guys. So join in the challenge today. Okay, join in tonight. He's restarting the 2K challenge on Monday. So for SPY, huge resistance Ram. Okay, at 439.50 to 440, and that's exactly what I said in the Discord. All right. So here, let me even give you guys. Let me show you. Let me actually show you where I said that. Okay. In the Discord. right here. Okay, we can see SPY coming back to 439.50 to 440. Okay, perfect, right? And so with that big bounce and that big revisit to the 439.50 to 440, okay, tomorrow there's gonna be rejection most likely, and it's gonna be a nice rejection at the 200 SMA as well. Okay. However, even okay, so most likely big volatile week today, like I told everyone to see if we're watch on Sunday. But the fact that we had such a big volume today as well, there can be a high chance tomorrow, a high probability that we can continue to go up this week, depending on how the FOMC meeting goes and depending on what the Fed says. Okay, so 410 is always a good support. Yeah. So, very, very mean number there for the markets. But yeah, so SPY tomorrow, I would say, if we continue to go down tomorrow, 435 is a good level as support. So you can bounce right here, okay, around 435, and maybe even flag underneath 440, okay, like this. All right, so high chance that we can continue to move up higher around 440, okay. All right, so that is it for tonight, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. People on Instagram can see my fingers. People on YouTube, you guys can't see that, just my screen. You guys can only see my mouse cursor going crazy. But for everyone who just joined, go back to the lives, go back to all my lives, and you guys can even learn something from there. Every single live. All right, I always teach you guys something to learn. Okay, so make sure you guys join the lives every Monday and Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, not Pacific. So make sure you guys join, and join the C.F.O Stream and Watch as well, and the C.F.O Discord, so you guys can profit with us every single day and every single week. All right, you guys will be prepared every single week as well. So make sure you guys join the lives and join the C.F.O Discord by tonight, so you guys can see what I'm up to for tomorrow. Okay, so you guys can get prepared for tomorrow's trades and any swings that I'm looking at, and so you guys can see the swings that I'm already in, because I posted them yesterday in the C.F.O Discord. All right, and in the C.F.O Swing Watch. So you guys have best of both worlds when you guys join tonight. All right. Yes. And Troy, beautiful fingers, beautiful tea. Man, you're funny tonight, man. All right, so M. Troy, Mayo Naka, and Chris. I'll see you guys back in the C.F.O Discord. Yes, join the rest of us, guys. Join the rest of us C.F.O watchers. We profit and learn. Exactly. All right, so that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys all on Wednesday. Okay, same time. Good night, everyone. Yes, good night to you too. Thank you. I'll see you guys all on Wednesday. Have a great rest of your night, guys. And hopefully I'll see you guys back in the Discord once this live is over. Have a great rest of your night, guys. See you guys on Wednesday. Signing off now.